Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. To the Dean of the College of Forestry and Environmental Studies, Dr. Renato S. Papando, members of the College Executive Committee, especially Assistant Professor Jason Lane Segovia, Dr. Mark Joseph Bunga, and to the rest of the faculty members who are here with us today, my fellow faculty members, our dear students, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Allow me to first extend my sincere gratitude to the entire CFES family for graciously accepting the responsibility of hosting the 22nd University Research Spotlight, or URS. The University Research Spotlight is the official in-house research review of MSU main campus. It remains one of the most important institutional platforms for faculty members, staff, and students to present their research to the university community. More than a compliance with DOR Resolution number 078 series of 2025, the URS serves as an academic mechanism for ensuring research integrity, scholarly rigor, and quality assurance prior to dissemination, publication, or conference presentation. Today's theme, Interwoven Frontiers, Bridging Disciplines for a Resilient Future, is relevant and powerful. In the face of climate challenges, environmental disruptions, and socio-economic pressures, knowledge can no longer exist in silos. Solutions must be interdisciplinary. The way we produce, share, and apply research must reflect the interconnectedness of communities, ecosystems, and academic disciplines. Your presentations today demonstrate that MSU researchers are not only contributing to academic discourse, you are shaping conversations that matter to society. Allow me to share some important research milestones of MSU main campus. From October 21 to 24, 2025, MSU proudly hosted right here on campus the second Philippine Small-Scale Fisheries National Symposium in collaboration with TBTI Philippines. This event has more than 200 participants from various sectors. With the theme, From Recognition to Action, Advancing Sustainable Small-Scale Fisheries in the Philippines, the event featured keynote and plenary talks from experts and advocates across the country, alongside research presentations and artistic showcases. The symposium concluded with the signing of the Marawi Manifesto, a national call to action urging communities, government, academia, civil society, and the private sector to work together toward inclusive and sustainable small-scale fisheries. Just a week after, on October 30 to 31, 2025, MSU main campus co-organized and attended the 4th International Conference on Digital Transformation and Application held in Semarang, Indonesia. This conference, organized by RUMT Malaysia, hosted by Pinus University, Indonesia, was joined by international speakers and researchers on-site and online. Our active involvement reflects the global visibility and academic credibility of MHU researchers. From these recent activities alone, it is clear that MSU main campus is dynamic, productive, and increasingly visible in national and international research landscapes. I am also proud to announce that the Mindanao State University main campus ranks 1,001 to 1,100 in QS University rankings for 2026. We are also number 161 in Southeastern Asia. MSU main campus remains number 1 in Mindanao and number 9 in the Philippines according to EduRank 2025, and number 10 in the Philippines and number 4,180 worldwide based on Webometrics 2025. These achievements are made possible through the outstanding performance of our faculty members, students, and graduates in board examinations, research publications, and conference engagements. This November and December, some of our faculty members and students, many of whom are with us today, will once again present in national and international conferences. Among these is the 6th International Conference on Environment and Forestry Conservation to be held in November 18 to 21, 2025 in Kastamonu, Turkey, which MSU main campus has been co-organizing since 2018. We will also participate in the 2025 Research Congress and Convention organized by the Mathematical Society of the Philippines in Cebu, an event where MSU has consistently been a strong academic presence. We are equally proud of our presenters from the College of Health Sciences and from MSU University Training Center, who will also attend their respective conferences. Rest assured that the Mamigua Saber Institute of Research and Creation remains steadfast in fostering a vibrant, inclusive, and supportive research culture. As Director, I commit to sustaining our momentum, strengthening institutional support, and ensuring that our faculty, staff, and students have every opportunity to excel in scholarly pursuits. Once again, to the College of Forestry and Environmental Studies, thank you very much for hosting this meaningful academic gathering with dedication and excellence. To our peer evaluators, we deeply appreciate your time, expertise, and service to the university. And to all the presenters, congratulations and best of luck in today's presentations and your upcoming conferences. May this research spotlight inspire us all to push further, expand knowledge, and achieve greater institutional excellence. Thank you very much, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.